Exercise number 1, Mountain Climber. Get into a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, fast but controlled. Keep your core tight, hips low, and feel your heart rate climb. Great for cardio and core power. Exercise number 2, Half Squat. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, and lower yourself halfway down. Push through your heels and come back up. Keep your chest up and knees aligned. This move builds endurance and leg strength. Exercise number 3, Push-ups. Place your hands shoulder-width apart, lower your chest close to the floor, and push back up strong. Keep your body straight, core tight, and control each rep. Classic, but super effective. Exercise number 4, Half Burpees. From a standing position, drop into a plank by kicking your legs back, then jump your feet forward and stand up. No push-up this time. Move fast, stay light on your feet, and keep your core tight. Feel that cardio burn. Exercise number 5, Jumping Jacks. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then return to start. Stay light on your toes and keep moving. Perfect finisher to keep your heart pumping and energy high.